Drawing easy for kids.
Hello, my friends. Let's draw Peppa Pig and George Pig. Let's get started. I draw her nose. And I draw a shape of her head. Then I draw her eyes. I draw her ears. I draw her mouth in a circle for her cheek. I draw her body. I draw her legs. And I draw her arms. And I draw her tail. Let's draw a Christmas tree and start with drawing a star. I draw the tree. Then I draw her eyes. I draw the garlands. Then draw a bunch of circles. Let's draw George Pig. I draw his nose. I draw his shape of his head. I draw his eyes. And I draw his ears. Then I draw his mouth in a circle for his cheek. Now I draw his body, his legs, and his arms, and his tail. Let's color Peppa Pig, and we start with red color. White. Let's color Peppa Pig for her skin with pink color. Her cheek is dark pink. I color her dress with red. Is Peppa Pig favorite color? And what is your favorite color? Black. Gray. Let's start coloring the tree. And we start by coloring the star yellow. Green color. yellow color, blue, orange, yellow ochre. Let's color George's skin pink. His cheek dark pink. His clothes are blue. Black color. Gray color. Paint the grass green. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.